Okay, boys and girls. Or whatever you identify. I don't really care. As long as you're happy, fuck everybody else. Okay, here we go. Ball joints in. This is a lower. Bump stop. Everything separated so that I can do the control arm upper and lower bushings. And I couldn't figure out, something just kind of stood out to me for a minute, and I'm like, wait a minute. I've got this all back together right. I double checked, triple checked everything. Guess what's missing? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bump stop. It was completely gone on the driver's side. I didn't even realize it. I'm putting it all back together going, something's just not right. It's just not. And sure as shit, it's not. You gotta love it. You just do. All right, boys and girls, we're going to get this all taken care of and get you guys up and running with more videos and more shenanigans here at Deseroff's Classics. We're working on these next, I'm hoping. I'm separating the parts now. I got the shocks ready so that I want to try and rebuild the driver's side first. I don't know why, I just got a thing for driver's side things. Always have. Inner and outer tie rod, sleeve, stabilizer bar end links, stabilizer bar bushings. So we'll get it done. Scrapey, scrapey, scrapey. Yep, this is just for the 2 ball joints to finish getting the rest of it out, as it was that bad. So now I got to get this mess cleaned up before Bobby gets here and kicks my ass. So, yep, and there's those. They'll go in next for the control arm. I'll do a light sanding on the big bolt and just kind of put a little bit of oil on it so that it doesn't get any more flash rust. And yes, when you freshly clean a bolt or a part or anything along those lines of metal, and it's bare metal, it will flash rust. Within about a half an hour, 45 minutes, it'll start. So you want to put a little bit of oil on it, let it soak, sit in, so that you don't have nasty looking bolts putting together something that's important. And this car is important. So we want our customers happy. So we're taking the extra steps with this one to help solve any issues that may be down the road. Oh, God, it's so hot today. It's 102 again. But, all right, here we go. Back to work, back to work. Make everybody happy. It'll ride like a dream. All new bushings, all new control arm bushings, shocks. Yes, I'm tired, guys. Sorry. Okay, let's get this together and get it rolling. All right, we'll let you guys go. See ya.